We're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to intensify colored photos. So I've already made a video about black and white photos, and you can use a similar process to simply intensify your colored photos. It's obviously just one way to do it, but it should work on most colored photos. Let me copy the original. I'll leave one on the left and we'll work on the one on the right. And I'll copy this again. I'll change the blending mode to overlay for the top, copy. I'm still on this layer, and then I go to colors and I use one of the saturation functions. Let me use hue and saturation. And then I'll go down with the saturation for this one. I'm not going to give you exact values as you have to play a little bit around with it depending on the photo that you've got, but -80 should be fine for me here. Second step is to use curves and give it the typical S shape. So we need highlights, shadows, and in center the midtones, and then adjust it a little bit. Once again, the amount of dragging depends on the photo that you've got, but you should have this typical S shape in the curve in the end. So this adjustment I would try on every photo. In my case, it has made the photo a little bit too dark, so I go to brightness and contrast and increase the brightness a little bit. Maybe to around 0.1. And this is what I would do. You can now still adjust the intensity using the opacity for your top layer. So right here, and it brings back the original more and more as you decrease the opacity. And that's about it. So this is an easy way to adjust the intensity of your colored photos in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.